What's going on?
What does that say? You want to go right now? Do you want to go right now? All right, well, we're going to get in the car and we're going to go.
Are you surprised?
Go give your mommy a hug.
You're going to go trick-or-treating down at Disney.
Your neighbors are all
Down at
watching.
Disney. Do you want to do that?
We're going to be in Florida tomorrow, okay? Does that make you happy?
We are going to hop in the car right now. I have everything packed. We are going to the hotel. We're going to stay overnight at a hotel and then we fly out first thing tomorrow morning.
Is that good?
Are
Okay.
you excited?
She's so happy.
Do you want to go to Disney again?
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.